Good morning, students. I am your Dipanita ma'am. Now I will take your science class. Already we are doing chapter good habits. Okay? Today we will continuing the same chapter. Okay, students. As we have read the types of good habits. I told you there are three types of good habits. First one is food habits, second one is hygiene habits, and the third one is healthy habits. All three habits I have explained you and giving important points also. Today we will go through a new topic that is how germs enter our body. Unless we know germs enter our body, we cannot conclude it or we cannot counter it. So students, we should know how germs enter our body, that we can check it. The body is under constant attack by tiny visible creature is called germs. Germs attack body cells and organs and make us sick. So, germs enter our body by following ways. The ways are from drinking water, from eating food, or from breathing through breathing. So students, eating uncovered roadside food can make us sick. Second one, drinking water from unsafe sources can make us sick. So this water may be contaminated, so we should avoid all this. And the third one is breathing air that has germs in that can make us sick. Some area like industrial areas or the areas where high traffic flows are there, that areas also have CO2, contains CO2, more CO2. Okay, and the air pollution happens. So students, we can get rid of the germs that attack our body by keeping our body clean. Keeping clean protects us from infection, disease and illness. If you still catch an infection, what you will do? Where you will go? You must go to doctor. You consult your doctor and you must go to doctor for what? For medication. Yes, students, it happen, no? It may be if you still catch an infection, you must consult your doctor for medication, right? Okay. Now there are some duties that we should perform towards our neighborhood. So one by one I am reading out the points. Listen it carefully. Keeping our surrounding clean helps our place look clean and good also. We should follow some good habits to keep our neighborhoods clean. We should follow that. We should obey all this. Okay. So first one is, we should not spit on the walls and roads. Spitting make the roads dirty and spread germs. Spitting is very bad habit. Spitting here and there is very bad habit. We should stop it. We must stop this. Number 2. We should not write or draw on the walls. We always say, no? Teachers always say that not to draw or make lines on the walls. You should use your papers, your copies to draw, not on the wall. Okay? Okay, third one. We should not throw litter in our neighborhood. Littering makes what? Places look very dirty. So where you will throw litters? In the dustbin, right? We should throw garbage in the garbage can or dustbin. You must follow this, okay? If you are in home or at school. Anyway, if you are in home or in the school, you must follow this. Don't spread litters here and there. Don't throw litters here and there. Understand? We should help our neighbors. Always spread your hands towards your neighbors. We should help our neighbors. This is important. Okay, one thing we should know that about plastic. Plastic are the most common form of litter. These days, government is trying to stop on keeping ban on using plastics. So instead of plastic, we can use clothes, the things of clothes bags, jute bags. Don't use plastic bags. Stop this practice. Okay. Next is, we have already completed the chapter. Okay. So you will go through the chapter what I taught in 3 days. Next, in the next class, in the next session, I will take your classes in the form of exercises. Okay, I'll give some exercise related to this chapter, and then we will do question answers. Okay, students? So, are you following my classes or not? But I am not getting any feedback from you. How can I understand, say? So, please connect with me. Okay then, bye.